Hey guys, welcome back to another study video. Guys, in this video, we will describe if you're unable to change your country region of your iPhone or iPad because of credit balance, or if you can't change your App Store country region because of credit balance. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, first of all, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. So let's check guys. After this, here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may click here on general and click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may go back and open your App Store and click here on your profile icon. So click here guys on your profile icon, and here is the option of add money to account. So you may click here and you may check, or you can see all your money from here. So you may check I have 0.00. If you have balance, then guys you may go back and you may open apps and you may purchase any app according to your money, and then guys your account balance will be zero, and then you can change your country region easily. So if your problem is still not fixed and you have balance and frictions, then guys you may go back and you may open any browser and you may write here support.apple.com, and you may contact to Apple support team from here, or you may download support app from your app store, and guys you may open that. So let's check guys. I have downloaded Sport app. Then you may select your iPhone and click here on more and click here on App Store, and then guys this interface will be open and you may click here on call. So chat option will also show here, but chat option is available in some countries. So you may contact to Apple support team on this number and tell them your problem and ask them to remove your balance. So Apple support team will remove your balance and you can now change your country region easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.